A few months ago, I was broke, confused, and honestly, kind of addicted to YouTube, but not in a productive way. I was binge watching videos on how to make money online while doing absolutely nothing to actually make money online. I knew I wanted to start something of my own, but I didn't have a camera, hated my voice, and had zero editing skills. But then I stumbled upon something weird. A whole wave of faceless YouTube channels using AI and making serious money. I gave it a shot, and fast forward to today, I run a faceless YouTube channel that makes over 10,000 hours a month. Yeah, no face, no fancy gear, just pure strategy, AI tools, and consistency. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step. Step 1: I stopped consuming and started creating like most people. I was watching content thinking, man, I could do this. But watching 100 tutorials doesn't make you a YouTuber. So one night, I made a decision. I was done being a viewer, I was going to become a creator. But I didn't want to show my face, and I didn't want to spend hours editing. I knew I had to do something scalable and systemized. That's when I started researching faceless YouTube channels. And what I found blew my mind. People were getting millions of views using only AI tools, stock footage, and robotic voices. And no, they weren't scammy or low effort. These were polished, binge-worthy videos. That's when I made the switch from watching to doing. Step 2: I picked a niche that could actually make money. There's a myth that you can just talk about anything and go viral. False. If your goal's money, not just fame, you need to pick a high CPM niche. One where advertisers are paying top dollar. I listed out some ideas: finance, tech, motivation, storytelling, luxury, productivity. Eventually, settled on a blend of motivational storytelling with a touch of entrepreneurship. Think powerful narration, lessons from famous people, and mindset shifts. These types of videos have insane retention and high CPMs. I wasn't just making videos, I was building a brand that YouTube's algorithm would fall in love with. Step 3: I used ChatGPT to write banger scripts. I'm not a natural writer. But guess who doesn't care? ChatGPT. I started by finding viral videos in my niche. I'd go to channels like Motivation Hub or Goalcast, find their top performing videos and study them. Then I'd head over to ChatGPT and say, write a 2-minute motivational script about Elon Musk's failures and how he overcame them, written in an emotional and inspirational tone. ChatGPT would generate powerful, engaging scripts in seconds. I'd review it, a few lines to add more drama or make it more relatable, and boom, I had a script ready for voiceover. This cut my script writing time down from hours to literally 5 minutes. Step 4: I got a killer voice without opening my mouth. One thing I hated about starting YouTube was the thought of hearing my own voice on camera. So instead, I turned to AI voice tools like 11 Labs and Murph. These tools let me choose from dozens of ultra-realistic voices. Some so good you'd swear they were human. I'd paste in the script, pick a voice like Matthew or Olivia, and tweak the tone and pace until it sounded like a professional narrator. This wasn't just convenient, it was scalable. I could create 3 videos a day without ever recording a word myself. Step 5: I created videos with AI. No camera, no editing software. This is where the fun really began. I needed visuals for my voiceover, but I wasn't about to learn Adobe Premiere or Final Cut, so I turned to tools like Pictory, InVideo, and, later, Vid.ai. These platforms let me upload a script or voiceover, and they automatically matched it with stock footage, cinematic B-roll, dynamic captions. The videos looked great, and I didn't have to touch a timeline. Sometimes, I'd even throw in some AI-generated images from Midjourney or Leonardo. AI just to spice things up. In under an hour, I could have a full video ready to upload. Step 6. I posted shorts like a madman. Here's the thing. Form videos are amazing for building a loyal audience, but shorts are like jet fuel. So, I took clips from my longer videos, repurposed them, and uploaded them as shorts. I used CapCut to make them punchy, big bold captions, zoom effects, and viral music in the background. My first few shorts flopped, but then one hit 250,000 views. Another hit 1.2 million. When my subscriber count exploded, shorts were the secret weapon that helped me go from zero to monetized way faster than expected. Step 7. Optimized every upload like a YouTube nerd. Uploading isn't just about clicking. Publish. I got obsessive about SEO. For every video, I used ChatGPT to generate 5 viral titles. Then ATBB tested which one sounded most clickable. I added keyword-rich descriptions, created custom thumbnails in Canva, hashtags like pay motivation, fech success, and fey entrepreneur life. I used vidIQ to track my CTR, watch time, and retention. What was working? And what wasn't? I treated each video like a product launch. Because on YouTube, it's not the best video that wins. It's the best packaged one. Step 8. I focused on retention. Not just views. Everyone wants viral views. But if your video doesn't keep people watching, YouTube buries it. So I obsessed over retention rate. I learned to hook people in the first 3 seconds with a dramatic intro or shocking fact. I used music to build tension. I added subtle sound effects and visuals to match the narration. And most importantly, I cut the fluff. Long intros, no slow builds. Just story, tension, payoff. This made my average view duration skyrocket. Once YouTube saw people sticking around, they started pushing my videos harder than I ever imagined. Step 9. I hit monetization fast with this combo. Within 6 weeks of focused uploads, about 40 videos, I hit the YouTube Partner Program requirements. That's 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I did it with a mix of high retention long-form videos and viral shorts. And when the ads started rolling in, I saw my first payout, just a 148. Nothing crazy, but I freaked out like I won the lottery, because it wasn't about the money. It was about proof. This system actually worked. Step 1. I added affiliate marketing, then the money got reeled. Once I had a few thousand subscribers, I started sneaking in affiliate links. In videos about productivity, I'd promote tools like Notion or time tracking apps. In entrepreneurship videos, I'd promote ebooks or course platforms. Every video had a pinned comment and a link in the description. And here's the kicker. Even when a video didn't get many views, it still made passive income from clicks. Eventually, my affiliate revenue overtook my ad revenue. That's when things really got fun. Step 11. I scaled my channel like a business. Once I had a system, I did what every entrepreneur does. I scaled. I hired a virtual assistant to help with script formatting. I brought on a thumbnail designer from Fiverr for $5 per image. I used Notion to build a content calendar and started scheduling uploads weeks ahead. I repurposed videos for TikTok and Instagram Reels. I even started a second channel in a different niche, using the exact same AI formula. And guess what? That one's on track to be monetized too. Step 1. I reinvested profits back into growth. Instead of cashing out and buying a PlayStation, I put the money back into tools and systems. I upgraded to 11 Labs Pro, bought a better AI editing and subscription, and started using premium analytics tools like TubeBuddy, Legend. These small upgrades made the process smoother, faster, and more efficient. I wasn't just a guy making videos. I was now running a content machine. Step 13. Kept showing up. Even when no one was watching, let's be real. This wasn't all smooth sailing. Some videos flopped. Some weeks felt hopeless. But I reminded myself, You only need Odin Video to change your channel. So I kept showing up, uploading 3 times a week, testing, tweaking, learning. And eventually one video hit 2.6 million views. That video alone made over 100,200 from ads and brought in hundreds of affiliate clicks. Consistency is the algorithm's love language. Today I wake up to passive income every day. Fast forward to today. I've crossed 10,000 a month, and it still feels surreal. I've got income coming in from AdSense, affiliate marketing, sponsorship deals, and even merch. And the best part, I did it without ever showing my face, recording my voice, or filming a single video. Just me, my laptop, and some clever AI tools. If I can do it, some random person who had no clue how to edit or narrate, then so can you. So, if you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. You don't need fancy gear. You don't need to be a YouTube star. You just need a niche, a strategy, and a willingness to let AI do the heavy lifting. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of the exact tools and prompts I used, check the link in the description. I've put together a free Notion template to get you started. Smash that like button if this inspired you, and let me know in the comments. What's your faceless channel idea? See you in the next one. Stay creative and stay faceless.